In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your dashboard in Smartsheet. Publishing your dashboard is a great way to share key information with people who may not have access to your Smartsheet account, or who just need a quick view without editing anything. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you from opening your dashboard all the way to accessing the publish options, so you can confidently share your work with others. First, start by opening the dashboard you want to publish. If you're following along from a link, go ahead and click on that dashboard link now. This will take you directly into Smartsheet and load the specific dashboard you're working with. Make sure you're logged into the correct Smartsheet account and that you have the appropriate permissions to manage or edit this dashboard. If you only have viewer access, you won't be able to publish it, so double check your access if you don't see the options I describe. Once your dashboard is open and fully loaded, take a moment to review it. Confirm that all the widgets, charts, reports, and text are up to date, and that there's no test data or internal notes that you don't want others to see. Remember, when you publish a dashboard, you're essentially creating a version that can be shared more widely, so it's a good habit to quickly quality check everything before continuing. Now, with your dashboard ready, look toward the top of the Smartsheet interface. You should see a menu or toolbar area where different options are available for that dashboard. Here, you'll find the option labeled Publish. Go ahead and click on Publish. This is the main control center for making your dashboard accessible outside of the standard Smartsheet sharing model. After you click Publish, Smartsheet will display the publishing settings for your dashboard. From here, you can choose how you want the dashboard to be shared, such as generating a read-only link or embedding it elsewhere, depending on the options your plan supports. Take a moment to review each available setting, paying close attention to whether the dashboard will be accessible publicly or only to people with the link. If you're working with sensitive information, consider limiting access appropriately. Once you've selected your preferred settings, confirm and save your changes. Your dashboard is now published and ready to share using the link or embed method you chose. That's all there is to it. Open your dashboard, click Publish, adjust your settings, and your Smartsheet dashboard